Alright, we're going to do the peach jam. I think I've got everything ready. This is all the peaches that I have. I'm hoping I can get at least 2 batches out of this because I need at least 2 batches. It's going to get loud a little bit. You might want to turn your volume down when I turn this on. Got the canner heating up over there, starting to boil, and I've got my jars already hot in the oven. Start there. Measuring cup, new one with lines. We like lines. I was trying really hard to just have everything that I needed. Story of my life. I forget everything. We need 4 cups of crushed peaches. We're going to try exactly 4 cups. Dump everything's going directly into this pot because I'm not going to dirty up a bunch of unnecessary dishes. 4 cups of crushed peaches. About, get in there. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to do half a teaspoon. I'm going to mix that allspice in there. I'm going to do 1 box of Sure-Gel Pectin. Words are hard. Depending on what time I get home, weekend to say, just remember, you can't hurt my feelings. My feelings are unhurtable. 3, 4, 5. We are not putting this in there yet. I almost made a boo-boo. And you want to continuously stir this so that it doesn't scorch on the bottom. If it scorches on the bottom, you will end up with burnt bits in your jam, and that does not taste good. And it's almost impossible to get it all out. She starts spitting at me. I know she's hungry. This is a very important step. All right, ouch. She's ready. Watch me add the sugar after the first boil. It's because it activates your pectin. So now that we've got the sugar in here, she has to come back to a complete rolling angry boil, and she has to boil like that for about a minute before. All right, it is boiling. I'm going to turn the heat off and let it boil like this for a minute. You do not want any sticky bits on the rim of your jar. Don't crank it down. It's just finger tight. It is boiling a lot. And that's how many jars we have in there. And then we drop this down in here. The water level has to be above the top of your jars. And put the lid on and process it for 10 minutes. 4-ounce sample jar. And I will see y'all later. Bye.